Hi, today we will be sharing with you how you can actually easily create a website, okay, at the comfort of your home itself. Now, before that, okay, I would like all of you to have your computer, okay, and log in to this website called www.sbn.sg. Okay, it's SBS Singapore Business Network.sg, sbn.sg. Now, upon you logging in itself, right, okay, you can actually key in. Later I'll show you how to do it. The username, okay, called SCCI 2019A. Okay, the SCCI, this words is capital letter. Okay, and of course the A is a small letter. Now, the password that you can actually log in, later I'll show you, okay, will be SCCI, okay, 2019B. Okay, now here the SCCI is again capital letter. Okay, so when you key in sbn.sg, right, it will direct you into this site called SG Biz Network, which is similar, okay, it's just that the domain is slightly different. So this is something that you will see under the Singapore Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Now, from here itself, right, on the top right hand corner, as you can see right over here, there is a sign in button. So let's look at, okay, when you click onto this sign in button, okay, and there is this for you to actually create your own new account, or you can log in as a registered user. For today itself, right, you can use registered user first with this password and username, okay, so that you can try and log in first before you actually subscribe yourself as a new user after that. Okay, so now, as mentioned, click onto the sign in button under the registered user. Okay, under the registered user itself, then you go into this portal where they will ask you for your username or your password. So from here itself, right, the username, okay, as per written on the board, is SCCI, okay, 2019A, small letter A, capital letter SCCI. The password, right, you type in SCCI 2019B. Okay, so when you type in 2019B, okay, you simply just need to click on to sign in. Okay, the moment you click on to sign in itself, right, okay, it actually directs you into this thing, okay, called the products, okay, the admin account for your website, which all webmaster itself will have their admin account. Now from here itself, okay, there is a domain, there is a website. I want you to go to the website below. As you can see over here, there you will see, okay, right over here there is such a thing called Website Builder Personal. Under the Website Builder Personal, I want you to click on to Manage. So the moment you click on to Manage itself, right, it leads you into a site called Edit Sites. So what you can do, you can simply click on to Edit Sites. Now this trial account is basically for you to practice and use it, not to worry about it, just use it inside there. Now this is the page, okay, that it appears. Now before that, let's look at, are we able to change the theme? Now originally they give us a theme. It might not be suitable for your business. So now let's find a theme that's suitable for your business. Now how to change the theme? On the top right hand corner over here, under here there is a theme. So you can simply click onto this thing called theme down here. With the theme, they have this thing called browse theme. Now you can click browse theme, okay, and then you will see that 8 different layouts start to appear right over here. Okay, so now you can choose a type of layout that might suit you. Okay, assuming, okay, let's look at something that is very simple. Okay, we can choose say maybe this layout. Okay, this layout below, the yellow color one. Okay, of course, while you are doing it, next time you can again change the layout. Okay, now I've changed to this layout. Okay, I've changed to this layout. Now I want to change the company name. The initial company name is ABC Renovation Company. Okay, what I want to do is I want to change. I click onto the company, ABC Company. Just click onto here, the title that I want to change. Okay, and basically you see that over here, you know, use this text as my logo. I can change my company name. So what is the company name I want to change? I might want to change to a company name called, now we are doing restaurant business, okay, assuming. So restaurant business, or we do a property business. So assuming, let's call ourselves a property, okay, we do property king, something like that, okay. Property king private limited. Okay, so maybe you are doing a property website, maybe you are doing a restaurant website. So now we call this company name called Property King Private Limited. Now, then over here, as you can see, welcome to abc.com. I want to change this word. I can simply click onto it, okay, on the right hand side, over here. Okay, I can simply, right, and below the headline, I can just type it to welcome to Property King, something like that. Okay, now below under the paragraph, as you can see, great service. Okay, over here I can also change the word by clicking on the words itself. Okay, I can type in sales, rental, and management. So now, see, simply I just need to do this. I can change the wording inside there. Now, is it enough? Definitely not enough. Okay, we also want to change the picture, okay, of the website itself. Now, how to change the picture? I click onto this picture itself. This is basically the cover image, as you can see right on the page itself. So what I do is I can simply change the cover image right over here. So when I click onto this cover image, there is a button called replace. Okay, I can click replace. Okay, the moment I click replace itself, right, it leads me into this image library where I can actually upload, okay, any of the pictures that I want from my computer. If not, there are also stock media available. Stock media meaning to say there are pictures that are all licensed and it's free for you to actually use it. So now, under the stock media, they have two columns. One is the stock images and the other one will be the stock videos. Let's look at the stock images first. In the stock images itself, since we are doing property company, we can type real estate and we see what is relevant in terms of the pictures that is available for us to take on. As you can see itself, right, okay, there are plenty of real estate pictures. We are talking about 800 of them. These are all licensed. You can actually use them. Okay, so as you can see, all these pictures is quite nice pictures. Okay, let's take that we are choosing only one of them, assuming something like okay, this picture, okay, with a sold button down here. So we can just simply, we select the picture, we click insert at the bottom side. Now immediately the pictures actually change. You see the background is all changed, okay, with the picture. Welcome to Property King Sales Management, and for sales right now is sold. Okay, so now this is one picture that we choose. Okay, now before that, let's look at it. How? Next, we do a publish. Okay, to see how the website look like. So when you click on the publish button is on the top right hand corner, right over here. Okay, when you click publish, what happened? It goes straight into the internet and is published out for people to see, and even for your customers to see. Now, when you actually publish out, this is what your customers see. Okay, Property King Private Limited, which we just changed. And okay, you know, the pictures that we actually have changed. Okay, now let's we have created the first part of the website. Let's move on to the second part. The second part of the website itself, right, can be changed quite easily. Number one, okay. Now we also want to create a section below. Example, okay, a section. You see, add a section down here. As you can see, right over here, we can add a section. So below the main page itself, I click a section below. Now it allows me to actually add in content, photo gallery, about, blogs, manual price list, calendar, videos files, audios files, HTML codings. Now later I'll be covering all this so that you know how you can actually use this function to easily create a website. Now let's do the easy one. Let's create about first. Okay, in this about corner, when you click onto it, now it appears that they give you different layout in the about columns. This is the first layout. They have this layout. If you scroll down, there are different layouts which you can actually choose. Correct? Okay, so there are different layouts which you can actually put in your website. Now, make it easier, let's choose the first one. Okay, now when you click onto the first one, this layout with the 3 buttons right over here, you realize that it appears straight away below after your main page picture itself, the cover image. Now, there are 3 pictures. Now, from here itself, right, okay, you see there's this word called About Us. Okay, what you can do is you can change all the wordings within the web builder itself. You just simply click onto it, called Corporate Vision, something like that. Okay, you can just change it by clicking onto it. Now you want to change this picture, or this picture, simply click onto the picture. Okay, and you can simply just click on Replace. Now with the Replace, of course, now you want to choose the relevant picture. You can choose, like now, beside real estate, if you are selling gold, example, you can search gold, okay, and you do a search. Basically, you see there's so many golds itself, there's even bitcoins, example. So let's look at some nice gold picture. This is quite nice, gold, and you click insert. Now, you see, immediately this picture is changed, okay. Now, below the wordings, grab interest, say something interesting about website, you can also change it. Okay, you can simply just type in anything that you want. Okay, maybe say, let's type in some about gold. Okay, we provide good service, something like that. Okay, of course there are spelling mistake, we can just simply click onto it. It can actually help us to provide the right spellings. Now, not only that, okay, the grab interest, okay, part of it, the top part, let me show you. Okay, over here, these words, I also can change it. I just simply type in go service. Okay, so as you can see, the layout allows me to type in whatever that I want, change whatever pictures that I want. As long as you like the layout, you can actually choose it. So this is the layout that I choose. Now I do one more time. I change this picture again. Okay, and I can replace the picture. Okay, and now again, okay, I can upload my own files, or I can choose something nice. Now this is food, this picture, or you know, I can choose say renovation pictures. There are a lot of this stock media which is free for you to actually choose. So this is something that I choose. Okay, so now maybe I choose something like this. Okay, and I click insert renovation. Oh, okay, see. And I can change all these wordings which I've shown you. Now, there are 3 right over here. What I can do is that I can actually delete, make it into 2 or 3, okay? Or even 1 down here. So how to do that? I simply click onto this portion of it. Okay, the top portion of the section. As you can see in the top portion of the sections, they allow me to, in this particular section, 3-3. Go service, general assignment, and close the deal. So what I can do is, I might not want this close the deal. Okay, I can simply delete it by clicking onto the close the deal, and over here, this is close the deal group, which is this one, close the deal. I can delete the group. So the moment I click delete the group itself, what happened? Okay, it becomes only 2 groups right over here. Of course, if I want more group itself, I can add another 3 groups down here. How to add? Let me show you again, which I have repeated. You just click onto add sections, go to the about part, okay, and in this layout, I choose this layout. I can click onto here, okay, and you see, okay, it appears down here. Okay, see, 2 and 3. Now the about us might not be relevant. I can just simply delete it, okay, and it will automatically move out. Okay, you see, wow, it's so easy to use, right? Okay, you can just move out, giving a very nice corporate image. All the wordings can be changed. Now, I also want to show you something on the cover image. Now, in today's context itself, for cover image, right, you can change the cover image into a video, which can impress your clients even more. So what you do, you click onto this cover image, okay, on over here, the cover image which just now I show you, you click onto the cover image itself, you simply click replace. Okay, the moment you actually click replace, right, okay, under the stock media, okay, you can see that there is a stock video. In this stock video itself, right, you can choose videos that is suitable for you. Example, okay, you can choose something like property, ERTY, okay. You see, there are videos that is available for you, okay, that is over here. Okay, there are also normal videos, example like food. So if you are doing restaurants, you want to show people that, wow, you know, you got nice food, restaurants, nice picture. Now, maybe let's choose this, the chef is cooking, you know, this tomato picture, okay, while it's moving. Okay, so you click onto this tomato picture. What will happen is that you can click insert. The moment you click insert itself, right, okay, now you can see that, right, hey, this picture is being replaced. Wow, okay, and the picture is actually moving. What you do? You publish. Okay, so the moment you publish itself, right, when your client actually goes into the internet, what they see is that they can see a picture that is actually moving, okay, in terms. As you can see, Property King Private Limited, then you know the tomato pictures, vegetable behind, you can change the wordings, okay. Not only that, okay, we are also having, you know, like corporate visions which have created, okay, and okay, below itself. So there's a lot of things that we can actually create, okay. Now let's go back to the admin panel. In the admin panel itself, I have actually created all this. Now bear in mind that you can also add in one more section. Okay, the section that you can add in, right, can be, okay, another one, maybe a video, okay, under it. So now in this, when you add in the section itself, now I choose the video. Okay, so the moment you add in video in this section itself, okay, they have different layout. This is the first layout, this is the second layout itself. Okay, so you can add in the smaller layout. We choose the second layout. Okay, you can choose. Okay, now you see, oh, the videos appeared down here. Okay, you can type in a title for your video. Okay, so I can call it under the title over here, corporate videos. Okay, I can call it corporate video, as you can see. Then I can put in wordings down here. Okay, our corporate videos. Okay, then I can type in, okay, that's in Singapore, something like that. Okay, so I can of course type in whatever that I want down here. Now I want to change the video itself, right? I simply click onto this video, then they will provide me with these YouTube links down here. Okay, so whatever videos you have on the YouTube itself, you can just copy the links over here and you appear down here. Okay, so your clients can actually look at the video, because you assume that, right, when you are able to surf the internet, of course the client will have a video or will be able to access YouTube. So this is how it is done. Okay, now this is the corporate video part. Let's publish it and take a look at how the video looks like. Okay, so the moment I publish it, right, it goes live. Okay, and as you can see itself, okay, wow, Property King with this moving image, corporate visions, these settings, then we have a corporate video. So your clients will simply just click onto here, okay, the video part of it, okay, and you see the video is moving, okay. Isn't it interesting? Yes, it is. So that your customers, right, can look, they don't have to go into YouTube, but basically it's all seen inside the website itself. Okay. Now, not only that, of course, let's look at our admin corner. Okay, from the admin corner itself, right, let me just close some of the tag right now, make it less confusing. Okay, from the tag right now, I have actually taught you how to create your first page. Of course, a web page itself, right, consists of a few things. The first thing that we have is the home page. The second page usually is the About Us page. Let's try to create the About Us page. How to create? Let's go to this page. As you can see on the home button, there is such a thing called page. When you click onto page itself, okay, now you see that there's this home down here. You want to create one more page, you simply click onto add. So the moment you click onto add itself, right, they allow you to add new page, link to external website, okay, or there you can actually put in a drop down menu. Okay, let me teach you on the new page first. So the new page we want to create is called About Us, ABOUS, About Us. Okay, the moment you type in About Us, okay, and you just simply create a page down here, okay. So you click create page down here. What happened is, you see, home, About Us appears, correct? Okay, so there is a second page that appears now, which allows you to actually show it to your customer that who you are. So let's create a section. This page is empty. Let's add a section here. So when we add a section, like what I mentioned, okay, simply you can choose any of the content, like you can put a photo gallery inside there. Okay, if you want to, you can put in about itself. Okay, now we choose the about second layout. Okay, let's click on it. The second layout part of it. Okay, wow, you see this thing appear, the layout of about us. Same thing, change the picture, click the picture, okay, and simply type in replace, okay, and go to your stock media if you want to, okay, and now let's change to this person, okay, having a restaurant. So you see, okay, having their food, you see, oh, change, of course. Okay, now you can change all these wordings like what I've shown you. Grab interest under the headline. You can just simply type in, okay, great food. Okay, you can type in the introduction down here. Okay, now not only that, okay, the below section, I just want to show you, you can also add in things like video files. You can also add in files for people to download. Example, okay, when you click on the files, it's actually best for PDF. If you have PDF files, example like flyers that is in PDF, you might want to use this, okay, so that you don't need to send the PDF files or your brochures or your flyers to your customers. They can actually go into your website to actually download it. You just need to send them the links. So over here, as you can see, downloads, okay, you can change the words downloads, your brochure, okay, and in this download column, you click below, you can add files down here, as you can see. Files, add. So assuming, let's add in the file, example, you add in a file, okay, no, you can add in different files, okay, example, okay, we have different files that you want to add in, okay, example, let's find some very simple files, okay, okay, example, YC Dex, example, okay, let's go into it, you click open, okay, so basically when you open it, right, okay, you can just simply, the description you can put it, you see, YC did that. It's a PowerPoint which allows people to actually download it. Okay, you can also upload things like Microsoft files up there for people to download. You can upload files like PDF, JPEG. Just as long as all these things is here, you can actually upload. You can actually select up to 15 files, as you can see, 1-15s. Okay, so this file itself, right, is available for you to download. Okay, this is something very easy for you to use. Okay, so as you can see, of course, okay, there's, see, straight away people download it, it can be downloaded. Okay, so let's delete this section so that there won't be any. Okay, so I have actually taught you how to download the files. Okay, create the files link. Not only that, in the section itself, right, you can also add in audio files. Okay, audio files, okay, where you can actually let your customers stream over it. You can have files download. You can even add in a contact us page. Now let me show you a contact us page. Okay, later I'll show you the contact us page. Now let's look at it. This is the second page that I have created. Okay, home, about us. Okay, now what I want to do now is I want to create the third page. The third page, right, okay, is called, maybe, okay, let's go to the page again. The third page is called products, okay, or services. So you might have product or services, but this time round, right, under the product category, there is product A, product B, and product C. So we add, okay, a menu. So as you can see, we no longer create a new page, now we create a drop-down menu. Okay, when we click onto the drop-down menu, what happened? You can click onto products, R-O-D-U-C-T-S. Okay, you can type in products, okay, and you create a menu over here. Now the moment you click onto a menu, you see, oh, the product side have a small little arrow right below, okay, where you can add in more pages below this product A. Now, example, let's let in, okay, one page called product A, P-R-O-D-U-C-T-A. Okay, as you can see, that I click onto this product A, type in, and I click onto create page. So the moment I click onto product A appeared down here, but it's not below. So what I do, over here you see the two line, okay, on the product A side, down here two line, okay, I simply click, drag below, okay, and put it on the below side. Now straight away it goes below the products, as you can see right over here. Okay, you see down here there is product A. Correct? Now let me show you one more time. Okay, not to worry. Okay. Okay, under the page again, we go to the page. Okay, I can add in one more page called product B. Product B. Okay, so the moment I click on B appears over here, but it's not below products itself. So what I can do, I can simply go down below over here to the page itself. Under the page, I drag it below A now. As you can see now, I have product A and product B right over here. Okay, so now in each of the page, again, you can add in different sections, which I've shown you just now. Okay, now the last page that I want to create, right, okay, is, let's look at it. I want to create a page called Contact Us page. Okay, so let's put in CONTACT, Contact Us, correct? US. Okay, now let's create the page. So this page is called Contact Us and it appears right over here. Okay, now I want to add in a section called Contact Us for this Contact Us page. So I simply click on to Add Section. Under the Add Section itself, when I scroll down to all the section itself, which I've shown you just now, under About, Menu, there is this Contact Us, okay, over here, which I can add as a section. So I simply type in Contact Us over here. Now, in this Contact Us, they have different layout, some with map, some without a map, okay, and some with time, okay, which you can also delete away whatever section within the layout itself that you don't like. Let's look at the one with the map, okay, the first one, okay. Now, when I click onto the first one, what happened is that, you see, I can have this Contact Us page right over here. Now, this is where your customers can actually leave any details for you. Example, their name, their email, their telephone number. So when you look down here, right, drop us a line. You don't want to just put it as drop down a line. You click onto the words. Okay, you can just under the title call, please provide us, okay, with details. Something like that, okay? So you can type in, you know, a friendly message for people to actually key in the font. Now, in this font itself, you see, in this field itself, you see that there's a name, email, and message. Oh, we short of a phone. So we want to add in a phone. So you click onto the field columns, okay? And when you scroll down below, you see that under the edit fields part, right? Okay, name, email, message, okay, and send. That's all, correct? You short of a phone. So what you can do is you can edit up to 14 fields. You can simply add one more field in. Example, let's add in a field called phone. Okay, when you click onto the add, you type in phone. Something like that. Okay, and you can simply click done. Now, the moment that you actually click in a field, you realize that the phone appear right over here. Okay, but we want to push it up below the name. How we do that? Simply, we just need to, okay, simply drag again from the phone side and drag all the way up below the name. Now, as you can see now, name, phone, email, okay, it's just a drag and drop function. It's very easy, okay. So this is the contact form page itself. Of course, okay, you can add in up to 14 fields. This can also be used as a guest book, okay? When people come in itself, you can actually register them, okay? Now, take note that there is this send button. So you ask a question, where is the email going to be sent to? Correct? Now, when people actually fill out this, where is the information going to be sent to? Basically, right, the information of this itself, right, is going to be sent to the email itself. Basically, your email that you actually state down here. You see, under the title, send message to your email. So you must put in your email right over here for people to actually send when they fill out the forms, the contact forms, okay? And you will receive it in your email. The web builder do not hold any database itself, so all the information itself is not kept inside the web builder. All the web builder itself, right? Basically, they send the information down to your website, to your email itself. Okay, so now let's go back again. I have actually created a page called Home, About Us, Products, and Contact Us itself. Correct? Let's go back to Home, the original page itself. Okay, so this is my home page itself. Now, I feel that now it might not be relevant for me to use this theme anymore. I want to change a theme, okay? So what can I do? I go back to the house side again. I can choose the theme that's suitable for me. Now, when I choose the theme, it doesn't affect the data that I've keyed in, okay? So it's very, very friendly itself. Let's choose something that is another theme that we can see. Now, maybe I choose something like, okay, let's see, okay. I choose, now, maybe this black color theme, okay? I choose this black color theme straight away, okay? When I choose this theme, it appears down here, okay? To see whether it's suitable. So all the wordings is still there, okay? It's just that the theme changed itself. Now, not only that, okay, if I still don't like this theme, I can choose something that is much more simpler, okay? I can choose to a theme that is like, let's see, there's plenty of themes for you to choose, okay? Example, something simpler, this one, clear, okay? There are themes for you to choose. So when you choose the theme itself, okay, even if you don't like it, now see, this is a very simple theme, okay, which I have chosen, okay, which can be used, okay? So this is the theme. Now, not only that, you see on the top right hand corner, there is a button called preview, correct? You can simply click onto this button called preview. It will show you, right, exactly how it looks like on your mobile phone, okay? Because why? In today's context itself, people seldom use desktop, okay? Everyone actually use mobile phone to actually surf the internet itself. So this itself allows you to actually preview how your customers look at your websites on a mobile phone, which is important. Now, there are also additional functions right over here. Under the main page, just now I have shown you, under my site, under the theme column, there is this thing called the site settings. In this site settings itself, right, you simply click onto the site settings, okay? There is a site profile which you can put in your basic profile, like your company names, okay? Your site names itself, the email that you want it, your address if you have, okay? If not, you can leave it empty, of course, the phone number. Now, not only that, okay, there are also additional functions you want to touch on, like search engine optimization to boost your search rating. Now, this search engine optimization itself, because you have created a lot of pages like home, about us, product B, product A, contact us, you can actually make sure that, like for about us, you can type in the headline is about us, and then the description, make it short, so that when this page is posted into the internet itself, right, the Google spiders will then actually search and try to find the right keyword that will match. And when people actually search for it, it will then go into the site itself. So this is basically, right, how it's done. Now, not only that, okay, under the setting itself, right, okay, there are also things like Google Analytics, where you can actually key in, okay, your Google Analytics tracking ID. Okay, with this ID itself, right, okay, basically you can use the Google functions to actually track it. Okay, now also we also have this function called the Facebook Pixel, okay, or if you want to insert in cookies and trackings down here. Now, as you can see, your Pixel ID can also be placed down here. Okay, which every Thursday itself, right, in Singapore Chamber of Commerce at International Plaza 13th floor, -13, we'll be teaching you on Facebook Pixel. So if you are free, do come down on every Thursday itself to learn how you can use Facebook Pixel for remarketing. Now, basically this website, right, now I've actually created it. The question is, how much does this cost? Okay, let me now show you the price. Okay, of course, when you publish it, straight away it goes live. Let's publish it first. Okay, let me go into the price of this. Under sbn.sg, you'll be able to see, okay, or sgbizNetwork.com. Okay, you can simply see the website. Now, okay, the website is live now. Now, from here, let me show you the price. Okay, we are using websites down here. So when you click onto websites, what happened? This is called Web Builder. Okay, under Web Builder. So when you click onto Web Builder itself, okay, on here, okay, as you can see right now, we are offering you a very, very attractive discount. Okay, the Web Builder is only costing you at only $2.99 per month. Okay, so what you do is, okay, you can simply add to cart. Okay, the moment you add to cart itself, right, it actually brings you into the cart. Remember, before you actually add that, create your own account under the new customers and then add a cart. Let me show you how much it costs you right now. Okay, the Web Builder, okay, the price of it, if you are taking up only a 1 month trial, okay, 1 month, as you can see, let's change it to 1 month. Okay, it's $2.99, which is only about $3 Sing dollars itself. So you can try it for 1 month. After the 1 month itself, right, if you like, you can open up another new web builder and subscribe to it. Now, if you are looking at 1 year, okay, how much does it cost you for 1 year? This web builder costs you only $35.88, which is less than $36 for 1 year of usage, like what I've shown you, including the free domain and also the hosting itself. So basically, it's very, very cheap. Now, the first time I can actually offer 66% discount. Okay, so for the first time itself. So if first time, okay, you want to buy up to 5 years, assuming, okay, 60 months itself, which is a 5-year plan. Some of our members actually bought 5 years. It only costs you $179.40, $179.40 itself for 5 years of usage. Creating your website, hosting it out. Okay, so it only costs you. Remember, the first time I can offer you 66%. Now, what after that? Basically, after that itself, right, is renewed at $8.99 per month. $8.99. That means to say, if you are taking up a 1 month package, after that you want to renew, you'll be at $9 per month, which is equal to 108 per year. 108 per year. Okay, that is during your renewal. If you are looking at, taking up a 5 years, you are enjoying the discount. On the 6 years, you are paying 108. Okay, per year. All this will be in Sing dollars. Okay, if your portal itself is not in Sing dollars, you can simply go down below here. You can check over here is SGD. Okay, over here it shows SGD. Maybe your computer itself is showing USD itself. So just simply change it to SGD. Okay, now of course, okay, this is a very affordable web builder, and when you actually subscribe to our web builder itself, okay, you are welcome to actually attend on every Monday and every Thursday our website creation class if you face any problem, for free of charge. At every Monday, Thursday itself, at 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, you can simply WhatsApp to us with your number and we will add you into our chat group, okay, so that we will update you on our daily events itself. And if you want to learn about creating website, we'll be able to help you. Creating website is very easy, okay, it's like what I show you using the web builder. Okay, you are able to create your website in a very fast time and maintain it at a very low cost. Now, the next thing I want to share with you is domain. As you can see down here, domain itself, okay, you can actually, okay, once you click onto here, you can actually buy a domain. Okay, example, you can buy, say, toy, TOYSG good. Maybe something like that, toy SG, okay? Toy SG, okay? So when you buy toy SG, assuming you are selling toys, let's see, okay? Toy SG is taken, okay? So maybe it's not available. So toy, how about Toy Singapore? Okay? Toy Singapore 1. Okay, that's fine. It should be available. Okay. Now when you find Toy Singapore 1 itself, right? Oh, this domain is available. Okay. It only costs you $19.99. Okay, per year. That means to say this one, when you buy it, right, you can replace your domain name, which we give you for free under the secure site. Later I show you. This is basically free, and when people key in toysingapore1.com, they can go into your website itself easily. So at least there's an identity. If you can find good names down here, of course you can buy it. And remember, the cost is in SG, okay, Sing dollars, and it's only at $19.99 itself. Okay, so this is basically the price that we can offer, and I always recommend you to buy .com, okay, for your business itself, which is usually the main domain itself. Of course, we got sell like .shop, .online, .com, .me, .gallery. Okay, you don't need to buy all of them. Okay, you just need to buy one .com. Okay, and you want to find the right names. Example, your name is Alvin Tan SG, something like that. You can also secure your own brand name, okay, so that next time people knows that, you see, Alvin Tan SG is available. It's $19. So when you create a website, okay, which is the website cost just now I've shown, you can also buy a name which is only at $19.99. Now, if you got any inquiries on how to create the websites, you face any issues and want to attend our preview again, we welcome you to attend, okay? Or you can drop us simply with a message on our WhatsApp itself, okay? Which is at 9729-1151, 9729-1151. Okay, hope to see you again. Thank you very much for the class. Okay, thank you.